How to delete multiple messages in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and on the search bar just search for WhatsApp Messenger. Now you can see the app is updated in my device, so I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of WhatsApp application. Now you can see different chats over here. Now you can just go to the chat that you want to delete the message of. So I'm just going to go onto this message. I'm going to delete multiple messages. So what I need to do is tap on the message for a while and then tap on the messages, other messages that you want to delete. Just keep on tapping. Now you can see the option of delete at the top of the screen. So just tap on that and then tap on delete for me, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.